In this video, I will show you how to turn on Wi-Fi on your LG Smart TV. Now, over here is my LG Smart TV, and as you can see over here, my LG Smart TV is not connected to any Wi-Fi network. Now, to turn on Wi-Fi on this TV, what you want to do is to go over to the settings icon at the top right corner of your LG Smart TV, or just go ahead and press on the settings button on your remote control. So you can just use your remote to scroll over to the settings icon at the top right corner over here, this icon. Now go ahead and select it just like so. And from here, you just want to scroll down until you get to network over here. Click on network. And now you want to scroll down to Wi-Fi connection and then select it just like so. Now to turn on Wi-Fi, you want to go ahead and select this option. And automatically, the Wi-Fi connection of your LG Smart TV will be turned on. Now the TV is going to also automatically search for all of the available Wi-Fi networks it can actually connect to. So just go ahead and make sure your Wi-Fi or your mobile phone hotspot is turned on, and then you just want to go ahead and select your Wi-Fi in the list of Wi-Fi devices over here. And from here, you want to go ahead and enter the password of your Wi-Fi, and automatically your LG Smart TV will be connected to your Wi-Fi network. Now, to turn off the Wi-Fi, you just want to go over to Wi-Fi connection over here. Go ahead and click on it, click on OK, and automatically Wi-Fi connection will be turned off for your LG Smart TV. So basically, that is how to turn on Wi-Fi on your LG Smart TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.